First, log into your Access UH and then click on the My UH Gold icon before signing in. Next, click on the Student Financials icon. Then, click on Make a Payment. View the outstanding charges, click in the box under Payment Amount and enter the amount you want to pay towards the bill. Click on the credit card payment option. Next, view the terms and conditions, click I accept and submit. The following screen will allow you to input your credit card information.